Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing of my Temu $40 electronics haul. I bought 6 different items from the electronics category for a total of $40. For $40 I got a portable juicer, a monocular telescope, a USB laptop light, laptop plugs, a USB Wi-Fi adapter and a smartphone stand. Everything arrived in working condition and without any damages. I compared the prices of the items with the same items sold on Amazon, and the Temu prices were mostly lower. The products are all very useful. My favorite product so far is the USB Wi-Fi adapter. I will record some separate review videos for some of the items, so make sure to stay tuned. I already filmed a video about the Temu online marketplace and my first Temu order, so make sure to check it out. The link is in the description. If you want to try Temu for yourself or get some of the items from this video, check out the links in the description. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about Temu or the products in this video, and subscribe for more unboxing and review videos.